Hey there, hi there, howdy ho. It's Lady Lori, and welcome back to another video. I have the premium box for December 2021 from BOXYCHARM. Yes, I already opened up the two Boxy LUXEs. I opened up the... Is this the Lady Lori? No. This is for the Beauty Over 50 profile, Miss Sassy Pants. So this is her premium box. You guys already watched me open up Lady Lori's. Anyway, while I get this open, how you guys doing? How's everybody? How's everyone this lovely evening? It is almost 7:30 where I am, California, recording. Oh, when am I recording? I am recording on December 12th. I'm just getting all these boxes up, recorded, edited, and ready. So when I need to put them up there on YouTube for you guys to enjoy, they're done. All right. This is the inside of the premium box. We always know because it's powder blue. BOXYCHARM is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. They do have 3 tiers. However, each month, if you are subscribed to all 3 of them, you're only going to receive 2 boxes. So you'll either get base and premium. When it's Boxy Luxe time, you're going to get premium and luxe. So it's always going to be a 2 box month, even though there's 3 tiers. Because, whoop, not this one. The Boxy Luxe is an upgrade to the base. And I have all the prices and everything down in the description box. So just kind of take a look down there. And while you're over on those buttons, please subscribe. All right, you guys, the gift of glam, that is the theme for December. And again, this is the premium. Now, this box was a little different. There are some items in there. There are duplicates. We'll just whiz right by them. And then there are some that are not, that are actually pretty cool. My variation is 201 on this box here for Beauty Over 50. What's our first item? Oh, skunky doke. There we go. This is by Elemis. This is the Superfood Matcha I Do Refreshing Eye Gel. I'm excited about this. Matcha, kiwi, and melon. Refreshes, brightens, and nourishes. I am really excited about this one, you guys. This comes in at $39. This cooling eye gel with matcha, kiwi, honeydew melon, and a prebiotic immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day, helping to revive and refresh to give a healthy glow with or without makeup. Yes, I like stuff that doesn't, make your face greasy, or, something that you can feel that's working. Like, okay, remember that stuff by something, the Eon or Ion or something like that? Epion. Okay, so see how it's starting to from the other box, it's just starting to, I'm not sure if I like serums like that. Now it feels powdery. Okay, so maybe, never mind. Do you know what? I'm going to go back and forth because I'm indecisive. This is little, but then again, it's for your eyes. I know, it's little. $39 though. Okie doke. And then we have the Kenya Antiveros. This is the Glow and Go. We already saw this one. That real pretty palette. It's got all kinds of pretty stuff inside. $48. What else do we have? We have, again, a duplicate. That is the Stila, that beautiful gold mascara. This is the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, $23. See, now I can get behind that. I can get behind 23 bucks. Not some of these other prices. Okay, here's the one I was talking to you guys about. This is the Flawless Serum by Epion of Beverly Hills. $195, new brand to Boxy. I'm going to show you what I was talking about in the other video. Probably should have showed you guys this one first, right? I don't know, maybe. Okay, so here's the packaging. Now, I heard all kinds of jiggling in here. I mean, it sounded like there were pennies that were inside the cap. So I open it up, and this is what happened. This is what was, and you see that's broken? Yes. The casing around the actual, because you can tell that there's a bottle in there, and this is just a casing. Lori, did you keep the pieces? Yes, I did. See? That's what I heard when I first opened up this box. Now, what does it say to do? Oh, it was on the box. I was like, I saw directions somewhere. It's no directions on the box. It's nothing. But there's directions on the back of the container. So it says that you need a magnifying glass. It says make sure to put it in the light. It says go get somebody with good eyes. It doesn't say that. No. But that's basically, I can't make out a darn thing that says except for the word directions. The word directions is in gold. Everything else is almost like black. It is black, like the darkest gold writing. Okay. This feels soft, almost like a powder. It still has a greasy feel to it. I don't like that about serums. So I put some more on there, and then we'll check it again. I'd like to see some results. All right, and then id.az. id.az. Hydrating. id.az. Dermastic Water Fit Mask. It provides a truly moisturizing solution for your skin to treat delicate skin which has been stressed by internal and environmental factors. You know who those... Okay, so... has been stressed by internal and environmental factors. You know who that is? That's Sassy Pants. Her and Netflix, Insomnia, and well, you're smart. Thank you, smart cookie. She behaves herself. But these two and the one out there, oh my God! Yes, you guys stress me out. You're sleeping. Are you getting ready for a big long night? Dear Jesus. You know, I do understand that she explained everybody that lives up here. So even though we say insomnia, okay, and stays up all night and then wants to sleep all day, I do suffer from depression. That's what it looks like. Not today, I'm just saying, when it hits and it gets really bad, it's insomnia. She'll sleep all day and then we are up all night. I'd have a completely reverse. Anyway, let's see what this is, okay? It's $20. It is by private doctor, so, you know, this right here. The Dermastic Water Fit Mask is formulated with deep moisturizing ingredients and essential nutrients to soothe and moisturize the face. It hydrates and smooths the skin by resolving dry skin problems and recovering damaged areas by giving maximum moisturization while removing dead cells. Nice. Opening pores that don't need them open anymore. They're open enough. They're cleansed enough. They've been flushed enough. I need them to close. They're done. And relieving skin tissue. Okay, so what does this thing do? After cleansing your face, prepare the skin with a toner. Okay, got it. Open the package, remove the film. I like how they tell us how to do that. Like nobody, but what do you do? Open the package. It's wow. Okay. Remove the film and place the sheet mask evenly over your face. These are it's a sheet mask. That must have been me. So I'm trying different things for Mask Monday. It's for Sassy Pants. Her and her friends over here. Okay, and then the last one is a duplicate. It's the EVO Beauty. And again, I knew this one was on here. Val and Brooke. Those are the two names down at the bottom. Remember the real pretty lip liner? Inspired by people that they know. And that's why I looked at it and I was like, oh, you know what? Yes. I'm going to look for the names. And I found the names. $24, so $12 a piece. It's a little pricey. But I'm liking that one color. And because I have duplicates, you know what? I don't mind giving a set away. You know what I mean? Man, I'm so glad you guys cannot hear what he's doing. All right, my total comes out to $349. Did I tell you guys what the variation was? 201? If not, just let's see, which direction do we go? That way. It's at the very front of the video. Just take that thing. I always forget this is the end of the video. That's the beginning of the video. So go all the way to the beginning and it'll give you the variation 201. Of course, I just gave it to you right now, so who cares? All right. That's it, you guys. That's Beauty Over 50. This is the Gift of Glam, which is, again, the theme for December 2021. These are the last boxes of the year. So, did they do good? I guess. You know, I don't think there's anything else in here. I mean, I guess. There's some very pricey items in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 items in the premium. So not bad for, let's see, what do we pay for the premium now? It used to be $35, it's now $39.99, $4 more. And I do understand why the prices went up, and I do understand where the price reflect of increase is coming from, so I'm not complaining. However, I did cancel one of the big boxes in one account and one of the big boxes in the other account. So one of the Luxes and one of the premiums have been canceled from each. Not both, but from each. Like a Luxe over here and a premium on this one. I can't afford it anymore. It's Lori, you just said you understand. I do understand. I also understand my bank account. And if my bank account says it's getting low, well, it's time to make a change. All right, you guys, thank you so much for spending just a little bit of time with me, trying to keep these videos short. And let me know what you guys thought about this box. Let me know, because this had different stuff in it, right? It did. It had some different stuff. So I want to know what you guys think about this box now. Let me know down below. And by the way, I do have a awesome giveaway coming up. I will give you a hint. It does have to do with the state I live in. That's it. That's all I'm telling you. That's it. Has to do with the state I live in. And you guys are going to like it. That video is probably going to come, let's see, I'll probably do it within maybe sometime this week. And then we'll start that giveaway, because that one's going to go a little while. You may not get the your package until after the new year because of shipping and because of the holidays and stuff like that. But it will be a December giveaway. You're not going to want to miss it. Take care. Have a wonderful evening, afternoon, or morning, wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.